Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain to your Google AI Studio app. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. On the homepage, click on Build AI Apps to view available app templates and projects. Now scroll down until you see the section called Discover and Remix App Ideas. This section contains ready-made app examples that you can customize. From the list, choose an app such as Flash UI and click on it to open the project. Once the app opens, go to the top right corner and click on the Save to GitHub icon. This allows you to export the app code to your GitHub account. Click on Save, then enter a repository name and an optional repository description so you can identify the project easily later. Next, choose the repository visibility, either private or public, depending on whether you want a code to visible to everyone or only to you. After that, click on Create Git Repository. Google AI Studio will now create the repository and push the project files to GitHub. Once the repository is created, review the changes that were made. Then, click on Stage and commit all changes to finalize the upload to GitHub. Now, open a new browser tab and search for Vercel. Click on the official Vercel website and log in, preferably using GitHub account. Inside the Vercel dashboard, click on Add New, then select Project. Here, you will see the option to import Git repository. Find the repository you just created from Google AI Studio and click Import next to it. Next, choose where you want to create the project and give your project a name. You can keep the default settings if you're not sure. After that, click on Deploy. Vercel will now start building and deploying your project. You can see the deployment progress on the screen. Once the development is complete, you'll see a confirmation message saying your project has been successfully deployed. Scroll down on the project page and click on Add Domain. Click on Add Domain again, then enter a custom domain name and follow the on-screen instructions to connect and verify. After verification, your Google AI Studio app will be live on your custom domain. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.